Malik Besitali should be careful. There's going to be a setup on him. Honorable Sam John. Or the night setup will be coming on him. He should be very careful. Okuja to Abrakwa. He's somebody also setup will be coming on him. Very way I see. He's one of the young guys in the next upcoming president. One year he'll be the one. If any saying that because I did the and I said prophecy and attacks I won't and never be sorry to make sure say the prophecy and I said I didn't say and that is what is happening.
That's what is happening.
That is what is happening now. And this is just the beginning of what we are seeing. And won't say President Jem, but this thing will go a long way to fight this guy spiritually. No, there are so many loopholes. There are so many ways. He's one of the youngest upcoming guy.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, baby. I'll be the Nyamin Shia and then Mao. Hi, Xposed GH. Edinani Bamboo, social mafia, major so. For the past 1 week or so, video I trending and send the Sammy Gyamfi, a young guy, promising future. Sabi honoring the acting CEO of Gold Board. In Sambia Ban home, for a setup, it be a spiritual. Now, me so for back one meaning one girl was say at the end who soon and Sunday see. Now, only near Samba Bessie Ochna, Sammy Gyamfi should be careful. But me person me na me kasem. Pese on one kasaka. Prophet Hayford akwaba.
Bacho yeja.
Bibia boko.
Na
wapomu nso e.
Oh yes adom mapomu de hu ye papa.
Bacho yire no ma.
Nyamia dom.
Mate se nyamia cha wakwa kan.
Sa na ti.
Sa won. Yeah, congratulate Prophet Hayford. Nyamin kan ho. E bacho Sammy Gyamfi asem no e bai no. What hu popoye?
Yeah, me fan say me ti hu pupuye ni ehun sem kakra bi.
Okay. Na what you send for a call?
Oh, me ti ye no me tumi me hunu say e ade a enye kwa.
Nye kwa won.
Dabi. Den ti a me ti ye na me say enye kwa ne say. Me di kan ama prophecy e fa sa guy ya e fo Sammy Gyamfi hu.
Pacho ka prophecy na san ya wura ne ende di.
In the year 2023, then I'm a ma prophecy e fa Sammy Gyamfi hu. Sir, he's one of the young guy in the next upcoming president. One year he'll be the one to lead this country.
What na ka asem no?
Me na me kai.
Because asem no so no mate. Oh, but you said it.
Me na me kai. Me can with the same Xposed GH with one of the interviewer. Your mommy, your interview me na me kai about the upcoming election now. You call your election now a term no. 2024 election no. We can watch him na the best CEO the best CEO Sammy Gyamfi say is one of the guys we are looking up to him that he'll become the next president if care is not the case.
Oh really?
Yeah, in this country.
A prophecy.
It's a prophecy.
Wow.
Most of in Penifoni na say ombetie media if and I was saying that because I did the best CBA and I say prophecy be baba pia. E wo hu attacks I wo hu yema. And never be sorry to make sure say the prophecy and I said I didn't say what you know. And that is what is happening now.
That's what is happening.
That is what is happening now. And this is just the beginning of what we are seeing. The bigger one is coming, I'm telling you.
So is it a spiritual trap and a physical trap?
It's a physical trap and it's a spiritual trap.
Yeah, oh yes, spiritual. What really happened spiritually?
What happened was to set the guy up so that his image you better destroy the image.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and as soon as you mark it, say, Kai is not taking Nasa Akwa was sorry, yeah, spiritually. Hey, Obaba for my young on here can't mark it, Minamika.
Oh, sir, Nasa president, he said,
I won't say President Jem, but this thing will go a long way to fight this guy spiritually, no? Yeah, thing you.
But didn't he see this coming?
No, no.
I don't need a software bomb by a man.
Or was off for couple women.
Oh, really?
I am telling you the truth. Messi, the Ebers Habano, a chain.
The same guy.
Oh, yeah. There are, you see, before you get to a ban, incident be see.
Yeah.
But in Gulbury, any ambaho. Ebra na oni Kwame Sefa chairman enya issue war. Also, afternoon
that video chairman can say yes. You are not coming up.
You see, and one say I did be a besibia no na a playback adio e adia one say a cock of fire everybody ba I don't know again Sammy kasa na bi back asebe koso no spiritually a weaken it down
omo brennas
omo kunu hu ko da abene ye hu say eye adibi kekena asi o president a channel o amafo ka ho asem but spiritually no ebe killing the spirit down
and o kan pato ni pa na fa no senia Judas one of yesu ano no agrada o
one say agrada for example me can was everybody e mani bem oh 2021 saadi ba me can was asem me ka bia fa agrada bia ni na
I see the architect
go and you see one say most at times one say ahun person mu yejuma they look at a particular person omu say omu ni bo anu a and as omu sumana their vision and their aim will be accomplished and that is exactly what has happened
enti agrada dey na say ono so na fa
ono na was offer now more things will come up every five the same agrada no yet to come I'm telling you the truth market
mama na
I'm telling you this is just the beginning of everything that we are seeing.
Oh, so this is just the beginning. When the financial say, you know,
he take the quarter of this year. It's some best about you know. More setup will be coming up.
Wow.
And the setup will be coming up on all the young guys. Malik Besitali should be careful. There's going to be a setup on him. Honorable Sam George. Setup will be coming on him. He should be very careful. He is somebody and also setup will be coming on him. Very where I see so you should be very careful.
Wow.
These are the three people that make one say set up.
Why have they been set up? Is it because they have the potential to rule Ghana?
Well, what makes NDC today? I am telling you the truth.
You mean Sam George?
Yeah, Sammy
Gyamfi,
and then these three personality. NDC. NDC. It might be under that. Yeah, this is it. NDC. In Penifone, on say, but you can't underground. On say, most at times, on say, yes, must uncle for we. Omuna would be Koye. Now Penifone teaching a body.
Okay.
Anything I'm going to win a banner. And yes, I can describe you. I come on the Penifone in the back of Munya. One say, Sending a Yekase, ever in Africa. It starts from we the Ghanaians. It started from Ghana. I said Ibrahim Traore and I said also it started from Sammy Gyamfi, some George ni okuja about a hand and then it started with and now omuti also a idea was a fulfilling prophecy in Africa as a whole. And it fulfilling what happened and fulfilling what Burkina Faso. And there are more things that will be coming up. More prophecies will be coming up.
And to spiritually, what should we do to avert this animal?
They have to wake up and pray and seek other help from men of God who believe in them.
Can they come to you?
Oh, if they want to come to me.
Because I'm going to send this video to one of the gurus of
NBC about how do you call it? This football team Kotoko, any House of Folk.
Yeah.
Mama maybe the House of Folk and Penifone be bami ho. Mama catch us say mu kwa goal a mo be share mu share mbru one. Mu share one. And Kotoko so to me. They came to me. Once they believe say there is a prophet when he says something. Me preachers go na me kasa and that was the matter. Now it was cap match na mubo. And pass
1 year.
1 year. But in Penifone kasa was on home man back to them.
And now so much about na muniso.
And some be wo am say me yipia. Me nipa bia nyame de me sie for something. And me say am pie ba be kasa ba ala. Me be kasa bia na say nyame na asoma.
Wow.
I'm telling you. And most of me say me kan na be say.
Joseph Sammy Gyamfi and it's just a beginning.
It's just a beginning.
Now then, I grad na your fan so I grad na
one will say Adi Bakwa ewo emma any member asem. Secret bebenani. One will say ye fa nyonku ben maso. E pese di bitiriwa. It takes longer time. Now before ebe mature no. They say nipa no or you very they say I don't know oma ya dey na match say oma ye hu sacrifice na nyama. But when they use a woman against you, it's very easy. They can get you very easy. Because all say oba bisa wadia. It's not like unyonku bema bisa wadi. But all say e ade Sammy Gyamfi no kasa onim say na set up. Yeah. Ono for say na e ado ebi na wo ye. But back behind him no onim say na there are lions omo ni chamu omo person mo wie.
Wow.
And he should be careful whenever he's driving.
Whenever he's driving, he can get accident.
He should be very careful.
Wow. It can happen.
So driving, so no can driving so he should be very careful in the driving. Because there are so many loopholes, there are so many ways. He's one of the youngest upcoming guy. Sorry, point to say Ibrahim Traore. Young guy. You catch us say we not just I won't say that. They want to catch on to him before he reach there.
And
on Blue 35. Me na me catch.
Yeah,
I don't know him as no, but on Blue 35. Young guy. Only Ibrahim Traore be the same age.
So there's a link.
There's a link. Spiritual link.
Wow.
Another Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah. Peja Ghana.
Honest Sammy Gyamfi.
Yeah.
Hey, this is deep.
I'm telling you, another Nkrumah Peja Ghana.
Now, we will say another scandals will come and rock NDC.
Yeah, and that will happen in the side of Okujato Abrakwa. You very
foreign minister.
Very careful. And a ben pa.
For setting up.
Yeah, we're setting up. Very easy, very easy. So whenever they are doing their thing, they should be very careful.
So for Tinia, okay, you know, for from no catch him say, Abia Sammy Gyamfi person who will you offer yourself?
Why not? Why not?
Because you okay, people. Oh yeah, and you no, this thing that you say because also the way it didn't happen. I've watched the video over and over again. Sammy Gyamfi you'll be or you're careful in nature. It's for him to just go into the car. Abia want to the bottom crown when ye to $20 be. But Ora can no be a big case or nim say cameras if follow me say spiritually no na it was a setup.
There's something we call spell.
Yeah.
And something we call imaginations. And I say if I say charm. One will say when a spell is cast on you,
yeah,
you forget yourself. And you fall victim into whatever planner. Spell is one of the dangerous things. And no a ruling and that's a working in Africa part. Spell.
Wow.
Everything uses here. And you won't or yeah, then we yellow. No, sir. I know what Tinas and also the and there are most coming that will hit him and his family, including his wife.
So what should NDC do?
NDC should be awake. They should wake up. Wake up
spiritually.
You see, so Obikacho said NDC came in power or came into power without any spiritual back off, and I said back up, it's a lie.
Or did they have spiritual back?
Yeah, the things NDC did before they came to power. So means me this no man of God.
Wow,
I'm telling you, I know things, and I have seen things, and God have also revealed things to me. NDC focus make us say money.
You know, say you know.
They know say no.
So for your fancy and one here na just say afre. But so for bia someone okay obi here mo abi obi or yaw ni atiti mu opese onye obi no bompa e ma no. Minimum what you can do God has used you to do in most of our life. But your number to
but so my number no very simple. Maybe I can say number bia ofre a mwa bia ohia about spiritual life bia na say adibi how e bia adibi da osu what chiabre bra na nyame be fa yesu aboa number no 0249 996262. Me san sisibio 0249996262. Who watch? Who share your free amanoni be bia obi a se open bi about spiritual life and I say niam nko ye ma ono. Mo ma de ne frɛ. No frɛ a ye wadaje pa na de nyame be ka kire ye no. E be ka kire. Na wotia. Se nia o ka kire me ka ya no. E be ka kire na wotia. Obeye nshira. Amishira otifu.
Savo, Nyami shout. Sammy Gyamfi, young guy, ambitious. I know he's very ambitious. God should be with you. Maybe the watchword is be careful. Pray without season. We say God will protect you. Ni atu Sammy no, enye me de, enye se ye won so de. Esi nyina ye fa abawo. Se Nyami pejawa na ode responsibility account. Na mnimse ni Nyami aka wo so awohwe me so no Nyami be I expose you FM bros subscribe and share ya the two man announce aka dia noise.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.